Okay, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've been on the channel. It's been a long year. Traveling, COVID, a few other things going on. But we're back on the bench. And today we got something new that just was delivered yesterday. So we're going to take a look at this new RC. Here we are. It is the new Axial SCX-24 Jeep Gladiator. And we got it in the beige. They also have a blue, which you can see here on the side of the box. But we got the beige. And the reason for that is my wife actually has a Gobi Jeep Recon. So this kind of fits along with the side, alongside that. Okay, inside the box we have quite an interesting little setup here. Kind of like a little garage area sitting out on the outside, but that's the truck. Comes with batteries, instruction manual, looks like body posts, an Allen wrench, and of course instruction manual. Also in the box, since this is ready to run, we have a battery charger, USB charger, and we have a transmitter, radio, whatever you want to call it, 2.4 gigahertz. It has some very small buttons. It's got steering trim, throttle trim, steering direction, car battery light, an LED, a green LED and a red LED, and steering reverse, throttle reverse, power on and off, and a bind button. It has 4 channels. I don't know exactly what all the 4 channels are for. I'm sure it's for the lights and other things on the vehicle. And that's pretty much it in the box. So now, take a look at the trunk. And zip tied in, of course. That was pretty simple. This truck has a little longer wheelbase than the Jeep that they came out with last year. Here's the Jeep, and you can see the wheelbase is longer than the Jeep's wheelbase. I think I read somewhere it was 22 millimeters longer. Okay, so it has a larger wheelbase. Maybe if I put it like this, you get a better look. You can see the wheelbase is a little bit longer than the Jeep. Okay, the other thing that's interesting about this is the body is Velcroed instead of using body post, a single body post. So it has Velcro here and here, and it also has a interior which the Jeep didn't have. Comes with a battery. Looks like a 350 milliamp 30C 2S LiPo battery. Kind of small. The ESC has been upgraded to a ESC and receiver in one. Has an on and off switch here on the side. And it has an 88 turn motor. Very small motor. And a balance plug. So tires are a little smaller. They feel pretty good. They are Nitto tires. I had Nitto tires on my truck for a while, but I went back to Michelin's after driving on them for a while. They weren't too good when it came to going down the highway pulling a trailer. They were kind of squirrely on the highway. But anyway, it has Nitto tires and accessories in the back. Some jerry cans or water cans, fuel cans, sand deal here. Not bad, not bad. Nice little truck. Has lights in the bumper, which sticks out quite a ways. But I have seen people who have taken and shortened it up and brought it in closer to the front of the Jeep or truck Gladiator. Not a bad looking vehicle. Okay, the receiver, transmitter I should say, comes with 4 batteries, double A's, double wrapped. Okay, let's plug in the battery and see what we got. And we got headlights on the bumper. And channel 3 turns the lights on and off. And you can drive it very slow. That is quite interesting. This looks like a fun truck. It's got some kick if you need it. But it can drive very slow. Looks to be pretty capable. Not bad, guys, not bad. I kind of like it. Get it out on the trail. Steering trim's a little off right here. Actually, that's not the steering trim. That servo, they say, is not the best servo in the world. I do have a new servo to put in it. I bought that same time that I bought the vehicle. And the servo that I'm going to replace it with is, they're all over the internet, but it's a Emax servo. It's supposed to be a little bit better than, well, it's got metal gears to start with, so it'll be better than the one that is in the vehicle, I'm sure. So again, thanks for watching. We'll get some videos of it being run out on the trail here in the near future. But it looks to me like it's a pretty nice vehicle. And if you're interested in it, at the price, it's about 150 bucks. Costs about, I don't know, 30 bucks more than the Jeep did, the original Jeep. So there is the new SCX-24 Jeep Gladiator. And shortly I will have a video of a run with the Jeep, but it is a nice looking vehicle. It's interesting to see what a 10th scale tire looks like compared to 24th scale. It is a nice looking truck. Okay, thanks for watching. I will be back on the channel more often. I am in the middle of building a Axial SCX-10-3 that is a one-to-one for my wife's Jeep. I'm also working on a 1/24th scale rock bouncer, and we'll get into that more later. So y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.